So getting to know the guys, and we were in our first two elementary buildings. Jason said, "Hey, can I talk to you a second?" Like, okay. And Jason doesn't talk a lot, so it was interesting to find out what he had to say. We kind of broke away from everybody, and you talked about, hey, what if we could finish up your first building early, which actually was about 3 months early, and was under budget. So that kind of solidified our relationship with Summit as well. It's not very often you can get something done early and under budget. We've gone with construction manager at risk for the type of delivery model that we use. And the reason why it was, kind of with Summit, because they involved us from the very beginning, and I think that's kind of the model, but they really involved us. They allowed us to edit their bidding list. So we made sure that local people really got a good chance at getting our projects. Local levy dollars need to be spent locally as much as we can. Everything was open bid, everything, there was no questions, everything was transparent with Summit through the process.
Things are happening here in our city. The new construction of these buildings is a big reason why.
They realize that we're not paying for this ourselves, it's the community that's paying for these buildings, and that we need to do what's right by the community. Again, I think that's why they come back and they do what they need to do. It's like their building, they just don't build it, walk away.
The thing that resonates with me is that you trust them. I mean, you build this trust factor, and it's not just the way they approach things, but just we've worked with them long enough, and they've come through enough that they've built that trust and they've earned that trust.
And you have a problem in your building, and they're on it. They follow through. They keep you informed.
I remember them saying, "And we'll take care of it. It's the right thing to do. That's the way we operate. We'll take care of it." And they do. And what more do you want? Through the whole educational process, Summit actually hired one of our career technical students. And our career technical numbers have actually, in the trades areas, have actually increased. The exposure that Summit has brought, and just the whole construction projects, has opened up a lot of our students' eyes to what these trades need and what they can be and what kind of great jobs they really are.
Our latest project that we're undertaking is our Lancaster High School, and our biggest project. It's going to encompass not only our high school education portion, but also our vocational portion. So it's kind of, we call comprehensive high school. So exciting. It's like the crown jewel in the entire district. We started with the elementaries, went to the junior highs, now we're at the high school finally. And it's great to have the team, I refer to us as the team, together to do this.